Now we're going to be working along this one particular road segment. We want to ignore all these other roads. This is where we're going to have our operations this week. And we want to find those cells that are within 250 feet of this road and have a saw log volume over 100 cubic meters per hectare. So to do that, we first need to select the road segment. And now with this selection made, if we select by location, we can check this box that says Use Selected Features. And that's going to tell this operation to work only on these two segments of road, which is our working area for this week. And we want areas that are within a distance, and that distance is 250 feet. And because we're going to do a farther selection where we have a high saw log volume, it's going to be okay if we have cells that have one edge within 250 feet and are therefore selected, even if parts of those cells go out to 310 feet or more away from the road. Because we're working with high volumes, we can make that judgment. Okay, boom. So now we have all of these cells selected, but we want only those with a higher saw log volume. This stand was operated recently. You can see there's no saw log volume to work with. This is a young regenerating stand. It would be useless to go back in there and try to cut it again. There is no wood. So we can see visually that here and here are likely to have saw log volume, but we want to have a actual criterion set. 100 cubic meters is our minimum for this operation. So let's go into the attribute table, right click, open attribute table, and we want to select by attributes, and we are going to use the method select from current selection because we already have some of these cells selected. We don't want to find all the cells that have greater than 100 cubic meters per hectare. We only want to select from these ones that are our candidate cells. So we are going to go down until we see saw log greater than 100. And now we are selecting from the established selection only those cells that have 100 cubic meters per hectare.